Hello students, in today's video of Python, let us learn to calculate mean, median and mode directly by using functions defined in NumPy and SciPy. Let us import NumPy package as np. It is the package defined inside Python. Data is equal to np dot array. Suppose I enter some values of the array 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7. Suppose these are the values. For the calculation of mean, suppose I write one variable mean is equal to np dot mean, then passing data, then print the value of mean or average is equal to comma mean. Let us execute the program. Mean or average, it's 3.571428574143. Suppose I have to control this decimal point. Suppose I have to display the mean up to 2 point of decimal only, then I can use a round function defined in Python. Up to 2 point of decimal, mean or average is there. In the previous program, we calculated in this way. In first step, I calculate the sum of the numbers, then the count, then sum divided by count. I calculate the average of these numbers. But in today's program, I calculate by using one method defined inside NumPy package. Suppose I have to calculate the median. Suppose I write median is equal to np dot median, and inside passing of data is there, then print median for the above entered values of the list med median for the above entered values. It's 3.0. Basically, what is the meaning of median? Mean is already defined in the previous video also. What is the meaning of median? When we set the data in increasing order, the central value is known as median. Suppose I would like to calculate mod is equal to np dot mod. Mod is not defined inside this package. It means I have to import from SciPy, import stats. By using this SciPy package, I can find the value of the mod. Mod is equal to stats dot I write mod is equal to stats dot mod and passing of data is there, whatever data entered at the top, then print mod of the data is equal to, now here two-dimensional value is important because it picks the value in two-dimensional format. Mod of the data is 2. What is the meaning of mod? Mod is maximum times occurring frequency inside the data. Suppose I write 13, 13, 13, 13 and 13. Suppose I write 4 times 13. Now mod is 13. Now what is the meaning of mod? Basically, mod is maximum times occurring frequency inside the data. I repeat again the contents I discussed today. First of all, I enter data by using NumPy array. Then calculate the value of mean by using np.mean and then entering the data as parameter. Then median, and using stats I calculate the value of mod. Hope you understand the concept of mean, median and mod directly by using NumPy and SciPy inside Python. Thanks for watching my video.